development of students. They teach us not only the value of physical fitness, but also life lessons of sports in shaping well-rounded individuals cannot be overstated. Very well understood, the true spirit lies in the effort, perseverance, and courage to keep striving for excellence. Today, as we witness our young athletes give their best on the field, we are reminded of the larger goal. To nurture confident, resilient, and spirited individuals who are prepared to take on the world with determination. The excitement in the air is palpable, and we can already feel the energy that this day promises. The event is not just a platform for sports, but a celebration of the vitality, teamwork, and determination that lies within each student. We had successfully held the first ever inter-school sports meet in 2018 under the able guidance of Sri Pawan Gupta ji and the management. And today we are here to witness the continuation of this proud tradition. This year we have the privilege of hosting 7 prestigious schools under the Sonipat Hindu Educational and Charitable Society, all of which have come together to showcase their talents and sportsmanship. This event wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering support and hard work of our management and the dedicated staff members across all our schools. Their commitment to organizing and executing an event of this scale deserves a huge round of applause. I request everyone to give the loudest of applause for everyone related to the Sonipat Hindu Educational and Charitable Society. A huge round of applause, please. We are delighted and honored to have with us today our chief guest, sir, other revered guests, and the esteemed principals and dignitaries from our sister institutions. Your presence here today further adds to the significance of this event. A very warm welcome to all who have taken the time to be here to support our young athletes. We are grateful for your encouragement and support. Now, I invite my co-anchor Pallavi to give a brief introduction to our guests about the institution.
I pay my regards to all the eminent personalities gracing the stage today. It's a privilege for Hindu Senior Secondary School to host the second inter-school sports meet. It's a great honor to have you all here. Before we begin the program, I would like to take a moment to introduce the participating schools. I will provide a brief overview of the schools that have joined us today. First one is SM Hindu Senior Secondary School. It was established in the year 1914. Mrs. Natasha Chhabra is the principal of school. It is the oldest school of the Sonipat Hindu Educational and Charitable Society and has a strong vision to create students enlightened with all aspects of education. The school has earned a reputable place in the community. Second is Hindu Girls Senior Secondary School. It was established in the year 1968. Mrs. Kiran Gupta is the principal of school. It is the best educational institution for girls in Sonipat. The school has acquired a strong identity and recognition among the society through its excellence. Vidyapeeth, it was established in the year 1982. It is one of the renowned schools run by Hindu Charitable Society. Mrs. Anita Gautam is the principal of school. The school is working with the vision of providing vibrant learning environment, offering a range of opportunities to promote excellence, confidence and self-esteem in every child. Next is Hindu Senior Secondary School, Kothur. It was established in the year 1990. Dr. Jogendra Singh Sandhuji is the principal of school. The school has come up as an epitome of excellence in the field of learning. It is one of the selected schools by Niti Aayog to establish Atal Tinkering Lab to promote research and innovations. The school has established itself as a leading institution in the society. Fifth is Ruchi School. It was established in the year 1993. Mrs. Malati Sharma is the principal of school. This school is run by a non-profitable voluntary organization working in the field of welfare of mentally retarded children. It is a joint venture of District Red Cross and the Hindu Educational and Charitable Society. The school is doing remarkable work for children with special needs. Next is Madhya Shiksha Salan. This institute was established in the year 2008. Shri Sami Saxena ji is the principal of school. It is a highly prestigious co-educational senior secondary school. The school is known for its progressive education, which focuses on various aspects of students' life. The school is working with the aim of developing potentiality of every child to the fullest of productive academic environment. The school has created a name for itself and gained widespread recognition in community. Seventh is Hindu Global Vidyapeeth. It was established in the year 2016. Mrs. Sheila Rana is the principal of school. During 8 years, the school's contribution has been appreciable and it has emerged as one of the leading educational institutions. The school is known for its quality education, the flair of Indian culture and traditions. All these schools are administered by the Sonipat Hindu Educational and Charitable Society under the chairmanship of Shri Rajiv Bajaj. The society is one of the oldest and reputed non-profitable organization. It was established in the year 1914. All these schools. So let's give a huge round of applause for all the schools that have joined us today.
कर रहे हैं, जिनकी जीवन यात्रा न केवल हमारे देश के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है, बल्कि खेलों और नेतृत्व के क्षेत्र में इनके योगदान ने उन्हें एक सशक्त और प्रभावशाली नेता के रूप में स्थापित किया है। आज हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री तीरथ राणा जी हैं, जो एक युवा और प्रभावशाली बीजेपी नेता हैं और पूर्व अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पहलवान रह चुके हैं। उनका जीवन कठिन परिश्रम, समर्पण और दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति का आदर्श प्रस्तुत करता है। श्री तीरथ राणा जी ने पहलवानी की दुनिया में अपने दमदार प्रदर्शन से देश को गर्व महसूस करवाया। उनके द्वारा प्राप्त किए कई पुरस्कार और सम्मान यह साबित करते हैं कि उन्होंने हर चुनौती को स्वीकार कर उसे पार किया। खेलों में उनका योगदान केवल उन्हें एक महान पहलवान ही नहीं, बल्कि एक प्रेरणा स्रोत बना चुका है। तीरथ जी का जन्म 1987 में गांव मोई माजरी में एक साधारण किसान परिवार में। इन्होंने प्रारंभिक शिक्षा गांव में ही प्राप्त की और आप सभी को जानकर अत्यंत हर्ष हुआ कि इन्होंने अपनी 6वीं कक्षा ऐसे हिंदू स्कूल से पास की। एक बार जोरदार तालियां, क्योंकि तीरथ जी हमारी सोसाइटी के एलुमनस रह चुके हैं। 2006 में सर ने जाट कॉलेज से BA पास की। स्पोर्ट्स में शुरू से ही सर बहुत एक्टिव थे। 2008 में तुर्की में आयोजित इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में सर ने एज अ रेसलर हिस्सा लिया। 2007-8 में सर ने एशिया चैंपियनशिप और इंटरनेशनल। Now we are ready to witness the spectacular march past, which will be presented by the NCC students as well as the different schools who have come here today. So I request.
मैं सबसे पहले उनका स्वागत करना चाहूँगा, फिर वो आगे चीफ गेस्ट का स्वागत करेंगे और मैं अपने साथी अरुण भाई और जयकुमार जी को मोहम्मद मेरे साथ हैं।
सर यस
सर को पता चलना चाहिए कि आज हम आए हैं द सोनीपत हिंदू एजुकेशन एंड सोसाइटी में, जहाँ पर आज एकत्र हुए हैं 7 schools for the kindly offer caps to our guests along with the class.
सर कैप जी ओके सर।
ले लो
ले भाई ले
अब मैं अनुज जी से और
सर सर यस हाँ जी सर।
सभी तालियां तो बनती हैं।
हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी सर यस, सामने देखिए यस। थैंक यू सर।
Is a visionary leader whose dynamic energy and commitment have made today possible. We are truly fortunate to have him leading our We have seen a significant transformation in the way we approach sports, and it is together here today. We are excited to hear from him. So, without further ado, let's give them a huge round of applause, students, for the challenge.
चीफ गेस्ट भाई तीरथ राणा जी, छोटे भाई हमारे, उनके साथ आए आज़ाद नेहरा जी, रविंद्र दिलावर जी, मैनेजमेंट में मेरे साथी सेक्रेटरी अनुज मित्तल जी, ट्रेजरर जयकुमार जैन जी, मैनेजमेंट के सभी मेरे साथी, सभी स्कूलों से आए प्रिंसिपल, स्टाफ व प्यारे बच्चों, आज उत्सव भरा दिन है आपके लिए और हमारे लिए। आज हमारे बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स अपनी अपनी कला की प्रतिभा खेल के फील्ड में दिखाएंगे, और ये जो परंपरा शुरू की गई, हमारी जो लास्ट मैनेजमेंट थी जिसके अध्यक्ष श्री पवन गुप्ता जी थे, और उनके द्वारा ये शुरू किया गया काम, उसको हम आज आगे बढ़ाने का काम कर रहे हैं। इसके लिए मैं अपने पूर्व अध्यक्ष और आज के समारोह के अध्यक्ष, हमारे मेंटोर, हमारे मार्गदर्शक श्री पवन जी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करता हूँ। आगे की सभी कार्रवाई मैं आग्रह करूंगा श्री पवन गुप्ता जी से कि वो आकर कमान को संभालें और चीफ गेस्ट का पूरा ब्यौरा आपको देंगे और समारोह के बारे में पूरा ब्यौरा देंगे, क्योंकि ये उन्हीं का ब्रेन चाहिए। आप सभी को बहुत बहुत अग्रिम शुभकामनाएं। सभी आप बहुत अच्छा करें। आप सभी हमारे लिए वैल्यूएबल एसेट्स हैं। और आपको आगे बढ़ने की ऐसी प्रेरणा मिलती रहे और आप आगे बढ़ते रहे। धन्यवाद।
Honorable Dais and very distinguished audience, a warm and very good morning to all of you. Chief guest of the day, an eminent personality, Mr. Tirth Rana ji, dear President of the Society, Shri Rajiv Agrawal ji, Honorable General Secretary of the Society, Shri Anuj Mittal ji, Treasurer of the Society, Shri Jayakumar Jain ji, respected parents, eminent guests, our worthy principals and director principals of Hindu group of institutions, and the last but not the least, very energetic and talented students of Hindu group of schools. I welcome you all in this second inter-sports school meet. Today is going to start just now and shall conclude tomorrow. It's a proud moment that we have amongst us a great and distinguished personality, Mr. Tirth Rana ji, who is an Olympian and a sport person. We welcome you, sir, and we express our gratitude that you consented to be chief guest and spared your valuable time for us. We stand glorified, dignified, and feeling honored by your willing presence. I request our audience to give our chief guest a big hand. First of all, I would like to share a great information for you people. We are the proud alumnus, we are the proud alma mater of this great alumnus of ours. Mr. Tirth Rana was a student of our flagship school, SM Hindu School, in 6th class. After schooling from Hindu School, he graduated from Sierra College and was attracted towards the sports. He won 2 gold medals in Haryana State Championship, 1 gold medal, 2 silver medals, and 3 bronze medals in National Championship, and a gold medal in Asian Championships. He also participated in World Championship in Turkey in 2008 as a wrestler. So once again, I thank you, our chief guest, for being with us and giving us this honor. I would like to use this opportunity to say a few words about our society. Sir, it was almost 110 years back that a small sapling of education was planted in the form of SM Hindu Senior Secondary School, and Pandit Ramanand was our first teacher and principal. School started with just 5 students. It was the hard work of our teachers, our management. That small sapling has grown into a big banyan tree. As of now, we are having some 15,000 students and giving quality education throughout 3 CBSE schools and 3 board schools. All of the schools have their own virtues, their own academic performance. When Hindu school was established, I do remember that Punjab University used to hold the examination for the metric class. And SM Hindu school used to secure at least 5 positions out of 10. And it was not in Haryana. That was a joint venture, Punjab, Haryana and Himachal. In academics, our Hindu Vidyapeeth is also second to none. You will be surprised to know that our mean score of the students of 12th class is around 78%. It's not a mean achievement. Then we have 2 degree colleges, namely Hindu Girls College and Hindu Boys College. We have all the streams in schools and colleges. We have, I think, 15 PG courses in our college. Hindu Girls College is an A-grade college, and just 2-3 years back, it received a RUSA grant of 2 crores from UGC. In Hindu Girls College, we are also running a UGC program called BVOC. We call it vocational study. We don't charge any fee from the students. Rather, regular students or who qualify, who perform better in the examinations are given scholarships. So this type of achievement is not easy. We have 4 professional colleges: Hindu Engineering College, Hindu College of Pharmacy, Hindu College of Management, Hindu College of Architecture. Rana sir, all the colleges are comprehensive colleges. What I mean to say is, if you are having a pharmacy college, we have diploma courses, we have UG colleges, and we have postgraduate courses. We are running a hospital also. So, through these institutions, we are serving the society. Apart from serving the society, we are also running a school for mentally retarded students. In that school, those students, those children who are differently abled, who are a burden on the society, we inculcate in them small entrepreneurship. How we want them? We teach them how to make envelopes. We teach them how to make candles, how to make file covers. By doing so, we are making them self-independent, self-reliant, so that when they comes in their real life, they will not be a burden on the society or of their family. We are giving quality education by using all modern resources. Some of our campuses are Wi-Fi enabled. We have sufficient number of computers in all the institutions with latest configurations. We have smart classes, interactive blackboards. So when we give this type of education, it is reflected in our lives. We have produced top class of politicians. I will give an example of each and every class. Chaudhary Rizak Ram, who was a minister in joint Punjab. When Punjab, Himachal, Haryana, they were all together. Top IAS officers like Shri Gyan Prakash ji, who was CAG Chief, Health Secretary, Defence Secretary, top IPFS officers. There was Mr. Srinivas Vasist. By the way, he was my colleague also. He became DGP of Haryana. Top bankers. I think you people do remember Mr. Rakesh Sharma, who was CMD of Canara Bank. He is our alumni. When he came here, he donated a van valued about 15 lakhs to our institutions. When they visit us, so they feel proud that they are alumni of the school. I will give one more example of our alumni. Question is not of money. Just 4 or 5 years back, there was a student of SM Hindu School who left India way back in 60s and settled in UK. When he died, he made a will. He had 4 children. He treated SM Hindu School as his 5th child and donated 20% of his assets to the school. Question is not of money. Question is of emotions. Question is of attachment. Question is how much indebted he is feeling to his alma mater. So this type of things just proves that we are in give good and quality education to the students. And what more to say? So many of our alumni have represented the management also. Mr. Gyan Prakash, who was our chairman, is our alumnus. Shri Arun Agrawal ji, he remained our chairman, is our alumnus. Shri Bhavan ji, he remained our chairman, is our alumnus. I also got a chance to serve the society as a chairman and general secretary. I am also a proud alumnus of SM Hindu Senior Secondary School. And I think 90% of the present management is also an alumnus of these institutions. Now, apart from academics, why so much thrust on the sports? We are celebrating this second inter-school meet today. What is the reason why the sport should be given so much importance today? Only virtue of the sports in old days was that it keeps you healthy, it keeps you fit. But these days, things have changed. The definition of sports has changed. Sports not only keeps you healthy, it makes you mentally tough. It teaches you planning. Planning in the sense, if I give an example, sports, a hockey match is going on. It's not that you can win a match only on the basis of your physical strength. You have to plan so many things. When to attack, when to defend, when to mark a player who is dangerous to you. So it teaches you planning. It teaches you team spirit. You have to work in a team. Some sports are, of course, some performances are done by a single student. But normally, when you play in the team, you have to follow certain rules and regulations. It inculcates discipline in you, which has throughout your life. Over and above that, now the students can choose sports as a career. many national and international universities offers MBA course with sports as a major. You can become a commentator. You can become a sports manager. There are so many opportunities. That's why sports are given so much importance. Not taking much of your time. In the last, I would like to give advice to the young participants who are taking part in sports meet. Give your best. Take win or loss in the same stride. Winning may be important, but if a win is achieved through fair means, if a win is achieved by following all rules and regulations, it will give you double the play. So follow the rules, help your colleagues, your co-sportsmen, and then achieve something. And those who cannot win a competition today, I will advise them not to lose heart. Their importance in any event is not less than who has become first. I would say that it was because of the loser that someone stands first. In sports, there is one participant in sports. He can win a game. Why we will okay, but you cannot stand first until somebody stands second. So those who are standing second or third, their importance in the sport is not less than who are winning an event. So wishing all my students all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Our unity, our proud and values that uphold to the spirit of sports. It is with immense joy and honor that we invite our Chief Guest Sir, Dheeraj Ranaji, Chairman Sir, Pawan Gupta Sir, and other distinguished guests to join us for this ceremonial moment. Please, sir.
नोट में कली भाई जब ठीक कर दिया आपके स्टाफ ने हाँ करो जी जय श्री राम
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा इंद्र हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
माता की जय
भगवान गणेश जी की महाराज आशीर्वाद लेते हुए I formally declare this game open.
A spectacular display of discipline, teamwork and pride as each of our 6 participating schools proudly marched forward during the march past led by the brilliant students who have earned recognition in various sports events. Sportsmanship. Coming forward are the NCC cadets of Hindu Senior Secondary School. शान से करते हैं टेढ़ी टोपी लगा के हैकल लाल चले, कंधों से मिलते कंधे इनके करते ये कदम ताल चले। उम्र भले ही न 55 की हो, जज्बा इनका बेतोड़ है, सजे खड़े तैयार वर्दी में आजाद हिंद के लाल झंडे। Next comes the players from SM Hindu School led by Sanket. He is an exceptional sports person who has won silver medal in National Games in 200 meters race. Next up are the girls from Hindu Kanya Senior Secondary School marching forward with great pride led by Anshika, who has secured first position in football state level tournaments. Next we have players from Hindu Vidyapeeth. Leading them is Lucky, who has secured gold medal in CBSE Taekwondo Nationals held at Bajpur, Nainital. Next we have the students of Hindu Senior Secondary School, which is also the host for today's events, and they are led by Parikshit Khatri, who has won silver medal in CBSE Taekwondo National Championship. Next we have students from Malviya Shiksha Sadan led by Ankush, and last but not the least we have students of Hindu Global with a strong tradition of excellence in sports led by Kunal, who is the sports captain of the school. We also have Vani and Uttaransh, who have participated in Taekwondo in SDPI District Level Games 2004. Hindu Global Vidyapeeth also secured first position in Under-12 cricket tournament organized by Rising Star Cricket Academy.
Is a symbol of unity, determination, and the unbreakable spirit of players. The torch which we light today represents the flame of competition, the drive for success, and the belief that every player, regardless of their background or circumstances, can shine with the right amount of dedication and spirit. Please do the honors.
बस यार
करो फ्री करो।
तालियां के लिए बच्चों। ये जो स्पोर्ट्स डे की वाइब आएगी वो आपकी तालियों से आएगी, तालियां उनके लिए चाहिए। We are witnessing the lighting of the torch by our chief guest, sir.
पहला रनर कौन है?
टॉर्च जल चुकी है, तालियां बच्चों।
जी सर।
The sports meet, the second inter-school sports meet is on. We have friends from SM School who has won silver medal in 800-meter race at state level. He'll be handing the torch to Angel from Hindu Vidyapeeth. She has won gold medal in SGFI Nationals in Taekwondo held at Vidisha, MP. Then we have Mihika and Martin. Martin is world champion in boxing punches, Asia champion in boxing punches and push-ups, and Indian champion in boxing punches and push-ups. A huge clap, children. Martin is a student of Hindu Senior Secondary School. Beginning of today's sporting journey, their hard work and triumphs remind us of the importance and supporter of Martin. A huge round of applause. Alia Bajti happened to take the oath, reaffirming our commitment to you path.
We, the students of the Sonipat Hindu Educational and Charitable Society, promise that we shall take part in the second inter-school sports meet, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sports and the honor of our institutions. Jai Hind!
पवन सर मार्टिन को अकेडमिकली भी बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही प्रोत्साहन दे रहे हैं, पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि मार्टिन जो है अपनी लाइफ में अकेडमिकली भी और स्पोर्ट्स में भी बहुत ऊंचा जा सके और हमारी सोसाइटी का नाम रोशन कर सके। एक बार फिर से पवन गुप्ता जी के लिए और मार्टिन के लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाए बच्चों। Hindu Ruchi School. I welcome them.
जोदायक पालचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन शंकर सुमन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनबे कर सिया प्रभु चरित सुनबे कर सिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया.
Let's give a huge round of applause for the students of Uchi School. The energy from your performance was absolutely electrifying.